Welcome to Delhi, a city where every moment feels both ancient and alive. Here, the air carries the weight of empires and the voice of millions. Delhi doesn't just grow, it expands in layers, in voices, in time. The past and present move side by side, never in a straight line. Every street corner tells 100 stories, all happening at once. This is a city that thrives in contrast. Bold and quiet, fast and timeless. You can feel centuries in the silence and futures in the crowd. Nothing in Delhi stands still, not its spirit, not its skyline, not its people. It's a place where tradition isn't preserved. It's lived daily. From the dust rises energy. From the noise comes rhythm. The city's beauty isn't polished. It's raw, layered, and unforgettable. Here, every turn reveals something unexpected, a memory, a mural, a moment. Delhi is not just one city, it's many voices woven into one story. Its chaos has choreography, its silence has depth,